Let's go. What's up, you guys, and thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. I have an update on the triplex that I purchased. I want to take you inside. We're going to show you the ins and outs on this property. So come on with me. This has been a hellified experience. I knew it was gonna be a real task because this is my first multi-family unit project, and as you can see, everything is gutted down to the studs. I wanted this right here to be open, so we opened this up. I wanted this to open up so we can see y'all directly into the kitchen, and as you can see, that's what happened with this. We take a walk around, and this had an arch in it. This had an arch in it, so this had an arch like this. So I had them guys to just tear that out because I wanted to just open it up more. Because this is where the refrigerator and the washer dry. Possibly put a stacker in there. So that's the plan for that. But as you see, the guys already started some of the sheetrock, going in with some of the sheetrock. And this is a 1-bedroom. Each one of them is a 1-bedroom. 1-bedroom, 1 bath. They're pretty large though. You're looking at about maybe 1,000 square feet, 900 square feet on each side. Something like that. They're pretty large. As you can see, I'm gonna show y'all something too. The electrical, we have the electrical going in as well. This is the panel box. You see it, and dropped all new wires in, things of that nature. This is the bedroom. This is the bedroom, and this is gutted. It's still gutted because they're waiting on the electrical inspection to come. So the inspector, they have to see. This is what they have to see. They have to inspect these boxes, these wires, and make sure that everything is up to code and to their standard before we can close it in. And also, you look up, we also have the AC, got the ductwork ran too for that as well. So, but I've had some experiences with this thing for as contractors. Just make sure that, you know, when you are investing in real estate, make sure you have some good contractors on your team. That can be a major issue when you are rehabbing these properties. Sometimes they end up taking a majority of your budget and you can't finish these projects. So that's just one piece of advice that I wanted to give you guys about contractors. But I love this. I love it. I just want to see the finish and the end product. These right here kind of led on the stairs to the top, but what we did was we gonna basically deaden this door because this is where we're gonna put the AC unit at, right here, for both sides. So we're gonna go to the other side, and pretty much the other side is basically the same. This is all right. So same concept for this side right here as well. Open this up. Wanted to be able to see on the inside, see directly into the kitchen when you came in, give it more of an open concept. And same situation with this. You can see a lot of rotting wood in here. We gotta replace the rotting wood. This place is on a crawl space. It's on a crawl space, so you can see down to where the plumbing and the piping and everything is. Sometimes it's good. Crawl spaces are good because you can actually crawl up under the building or the house instead of having a foundation. When you have a foundation, then you gotta actually lift it up if you need to do any type of repair. Or, you know, when you have a foundation, you can't go up under the house. So, yeah, that's it, man. We still have a long way to go. But once we close it in with the sheetrock, then we can kind of see our way. This has been a very experience. It's been a heavy experience for me because I was looking for this project to be close to finished by now, and we're 3 months in on this project. And that's another thing too, holding costs. I want to talk about holding costs because when you're investing in real estate, let's say it don't go like you planning on for it to go. Holding cost is another expense that you have to incur when you invest in real estate. You buy a property, you expect for the property to be done in a month or two, but let's say it goes on for 6 months. Now, that's why I talk about these same things in my hard money loans. When I talk about hard money loans, I talk about the holding costs. Because if you can't get in, get out, then you got a whole nother problem on your hand. So right here, same situation. The whole holding cost. I don't have a hard money loan on this, but the holding cost is still an expense to me. You still have to keep up insurance. You still have to keep up with the mortgage payment. How I go? Like this shit got nailed. Good. So this is another thing I loved about the TRIPLEX. Hi, we are in the top unit. So this is the top unit. This is one I felt like was a great feature for the property as well. We're gonna open this up. Plan on opening it up. This is a whole nother apartment on top of the unit. So we're gonna open this wall up. I'm gonna cut this wall out completely, stud it up. We're gonna cut it out completely just so you can be able to see all the way back and make it a full open concept. To make it a full open concept. Got a lot of plans for the top unit as well. But plenty of rooms in here. It's a lot of rooms in this top unit. The plan is to do Airbnb with this unit. So just giving y'all a quick little update. Please like, subscribe, share my channel. And the more you like, the more YouTube puts it in the top algorithm. But I'm not gonna go in here because they're doing construction and I don't want to fall down to the bottom. So, but yeah, this is a whole nother room right here. That's a whole nother room. You see we got the kitchen area. So this place is a very, like I said, it has a lot of good potential and a very great income producer. So I'm looking for great things from this place. That's why I'm being patient with it. Even though I had anticipated or expected it to be done way before now. But I'll be patient.